Hey fellow YouTubers, this is N0AGI. Thought I'd do this video, a ride-along video on my Harley 48. I'm recording this through my OSMO-Action camera mounted in front of my helmet. And I have an extended microphone into my helmet just to make sure I'm mitigating the wind noise and such. I hope this is coming through fine. This is my first time doing this video, so bear with my audio quality here. I'm still trying to experiment and such. So what I have here is a Rode Lavalier microphone with a TRRS to TRRS adapter, and then hooked up to my OSMO-Action camera in the front. And I'm recording this through my helmet, and I'm wearing a SENA, I believe it's Momentum Evo, I think it's called. It's got some Bluetooth capabilities, although I'm not using that feature right now. But I hope this audio is coming through pretty well. I have my visor all the way down, and the front air intake vent completely shut down. I have the Rode Lavalier microphone on my right side, right by the jaw line, where I believe on this helmet the SENA microphone sits on the left side of the helmet, I think. So I rigged up the Rode microphone to my right side. I watched a couple of YouTube videos. There's one gentleman, I'll put a link to his YouTube video in the description here. He had a creative idea of wrapping the, not only wrapping the microphone with the cat tail or whatever that's called, the fuzzy thing, but also he had the idea of wrapping the microphone with a rubber glove, layer on top of that. So that's what I've done here in my case. The Rode microphone has a cattail fuzzy thingy on top of it, and then on top of that I have a piece of rubber glove, a cut piece of rubber glove wrapped around it. I did some testing with a high-power table fan earlier. That seems to have worked out okay. So I'm hoping this real-life testing would work out okay also, but I guess we'll find out. So I'm, by the way, heading north on 13 toward, we are right now in the Prior Lake neighborhood. And trying to see if I can just do a quick ride to test this out. So just a quick note for those interested in how I mounted the camera to my helmet. I have an articulating what they call the magic arm made by CAMVATE, CAMVATE, CAMVATE. I've become a huge fan of their products actually. This is all metal, well built, articulating arm, and then I rigged up a DJI's mounting clip-on adapter to kind of fit the arm to it. I've also become a big fan of epoxy. Man, that thing holds really tight. I got a few projects that I've used it on. I must tell you, it's really impressed with how well epoxy bonds with metal and plastic, and how well it holds up. Really impressed with how it works. So right now we are entering Prior Lake proper, so to speak, and let's head on over to this park here. Nice neighborhood. Nice and peaceful. So I'm surely hoping that we have some good quality audio coming out of this setup here. So with this speed, I think I had some issues in my previous tests. So for example, right now we are at about whatever 45-ish, 48-ish miles per hour speed, and at this speed, which is not too much really, I had some audio issues in the past. So I'm hoping with this new rig and the microphone setup that I'll have a better luck with the quality and the wind distortion. And I'm hoping that once I get a good quality output from this, I should be able to use this as a kind of a template for future moto logging. We'll find out. So right now I can feel quite a bit of a wind draft on me, and I'm also able to feel some drift caused by the wind. And I'm hoping, therefore, this would be a good test. If this works here, I think this might be a good template. All right, we're almost I think once this works, I have a few videos planned for moto logging. And would love to get those out. And seek any input feedback from you all. here. Thanks for watching. I hope this turns out okay for us, and we'll talk soon. And thank you, and God bless.